Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys a natural school sort of makeup that you can do just for school. So let's get straight into the video. So we're going to start with priming the skin. First off, I'm going to do two primers. So I'm going to take the Superstay Maybelline New York primer. And we're just going to put some of that in our hand and put that over our entire face. And then to get a glow of the skin, because I think when the skin looks glowy, it looks very natural, I'm going to be taking the Lumi Liquid Light Illuminating Primer. I love this primer. So I'm just putting a dollop in my hand, and I'm just going to put dots of this on the face. I like to especially put it on the nose because that looks cute when it's glowing. I would not suggest using this, I guess, if you've got super oily skin, but if you don't, it's really good to use. Sorry if I'm looking over here, it's just my mirror's over here. So next I'm going to take my sponge and just blend that out. Make sure it's not streaky. And yeah, I think we're good to go to the next step. So next we're going to be doing a BB cream. I use the Garnier BB cream in the color medium, and it's the matte, like the oily combination skin one. So this one. These BB creams are super good, so I'm just going to start off with my cheek area, and I'm just putting a little bit down there and a little bit on the other side. Oh my god. So the way I like to do mine is I like to do the whole bottom half and then I'll do the whole top half. So next I just blend it with my Real Technique sponge. So today I found I didn't add enough, so I'm just going to add a little bit more, and I'm just going to put a little bit more on this cheek area. Sometimes you have to do that. You just don't add enough, so you just got to layer it. This product's fine to layer, by the way, if you're wondering too. So I'm just going to blend that out again. And whatever product is on my sponge, I'm just going to put onto the eyelids. I don't like to do anything special for them. Now, I would say that, yeah, this makeup tutorial is all drugstore, just to let you know. Quickly, but I'll let you know that. So next, we're going to move on to the forehead section. So I'm just going to take more, and I'm just going to put that in the forehead section. I'm going to try and miss out the brows. We don't want to fully blank them out. We will fill them in later though. Now, when I want to keep my makeup looking natural, almost looking like I don't really have any on, I won't set it with powder, but you can still do that set if you want to. Next, we're going to be filling in the brows. So I'm going to be taking my L'Oreal Brow Artist Shaper pencil thing. This pencil's pretty good. And I'm also going to take a spoolie. So I'm just going to be brushing my eyebrow hairs up, and I'm just going to be filling in the sparse areas. Okay. So once you've done the brows, I just filled them in super natural. I'm going to move on to eyelashes. So I'm just going to curl them with an eyelash curler. And next I'm going to take the Falsies Lashes Mascara by Essence. This leaves like a natural sort of non-natural look. I don't know, I just like the mascara, and it's cheap, so it's pretty good. last step to this look is highlighter. So I'm going to be taking the Maybelline New York Master Contour like trio palette, but I'm just going to be using the highlighter in it because it's a very, very, very natural highlighter. And I'm going to take fluffy brush like this, my finger, and a fan brush to apply this highlighter. So I'm going to take this fluffy brush and dig into the highlighter and put that onto my tip of my nose. See, and it looks really chalky, so in the inner corner of my eye, under my brow bone, like on my brow bone, so under my brow. And then I'm going to take our fan brush and dig in, and then put it on our cheekbones. Cupid's bow, just a tip of the chin, a little bit on the forehead, just around here, and yeah, just like all over the face to glow. So yeah, that looks super glowy. And the last step to this makeup look is Maybelline's Brow Drama in the shade dark brown, and we're just going to set our brows. And now your makeup look is complete. So this is my natural makeup look for school. So it's kind of like a almost no makeup look, but not really. It keeps it really light and natural, so it doesn't look like you look cakey or have heaps of makeup on at school, which I love. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, turn on post notifications, yeah, and leave any comments down below if you have any video ideas that you want me to do. Thank you for watching.